Everybody, it's Renee here and welcome to my channel. I am doing a video today to show you my 3 latest creations, and these are 3 mini books and they are really fun and cute, and I'm going to go through them and show them to you. And all of these are going to be wrapped with a really pretty ribbon for you when you get it. These will be on my Etsy channel, or sorry, my Etsy shop. As soon as I am done and I post this video, you can go to the Etsy shop and you can buy them. So this one here I'm going to start with, and I'm going to do in inches because that's how most of you guys probably measure, I'm guessing. So this one here is about 4.75 by 6.75, or if you are centimeters, it is 12 by almost 17. So this is the cover, and these are all one signature. I didn't put a lot of stuff in them because then this way you can put your own take on it and what you want to do, whether you want to add your own pictures or if you want to add some sentiments or whatever. I am now going to speed up the process and just show you the inside. So I did these journals, all three of them, so they are affordable and they're something that you might like, that you can add your own pictures and your own documenting in. They'd also be a great gift idea, great for Christmas and any other holidays coming up or a birthday. I will have these on my Etsy, like I said, right away as soon as this video is loaded, so you can go and have a look. There will be pictures there as well. And like I said, I've made them affordable for anybody who doesn't want to spend a pile of money on expensive journals. This is a great idea. So you have your choice between the three, and I have lots more coming, so make sure you hit that subscribe and hit that bell notification in the all, and I appreciate any likes I get from my videos. But make sure you check out, because I am going to have tons more coming up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have an awesome day and take care. Bye-bye.